Majestic camels, icons of resilience and survival. Camel is an extraordinary creature that has not only endured the harshest conditions on earth but has thrived in them. The camel. Often referred to as the ship of the desert, the camel is more than just a mode of transportation or camel 4x4 off-road and a beast of burden. It is a testament to the incredible power of resilience, adaptability, and perseverance. There are two types of camels, one humped or dromedary camels and other two humped Bactrian camelo. Camels have 3 sets of eyelids and 2 rows of eyelashes to keep sand out of their eyes. Camels have thick lips which let them forage for thorny plants other animals can't eat, like camel eating cactus. Camels can completely shut their nostrils during sandstorms. Thanks to thick pads of skin on their chest and knees, camels can comfortably sit in very hot sand. Their humps let them store up to 80 pounds of fat which they can live off for weeks and even months. When a camel finally does find water, he can drink up to 40 gallons in one go. Camels are very strong and can carry up to 900 pounds for 25 miles a day. Camels can travel at up to 40 miles per hour, the same as a racehorse. The male camels have a large pink organ, which looks like a tongue that hangs off the side of their mouth sac called the camel dullah. This is to show their dominance and to attract the females. A male camel attempts to impress and attract a female with its unique inflatable sac and gurgling growling sounds. Camel's milk is rich in health-beneficial substances, such as bioactive peptides, lactoferrin, zinc, and mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Camel meat has a high proportion of polyunsaturated fatty acids that provide great health benefits. The camel teaches us the value of endurance. Life, like the desert, can be unforgiving. Challenges will arise, and the journey may feel endless. But the camel reminds us that no matter how harsh the conditions, we can keep moving forward. Its ability to travel for days without water shows us that strength lies not in abundance but in making the most of what we have. The camel also symbolizes adaptability. Its humps, storing fat for sustenance, its long eyelashes protecting its eyes from sandstorms, and its wide feet designed to walk on shifting sands, all these features show us how important it is to adapt to the circumstances life throws at us. But there's something even more profound about camels. They travel in caravans, relying on the strength of the group, showing us the power of unity and collaboration. When times are tough, we don't have to journey alone. Together, we are stronger. So, as we reflect on the camel's incredible story, let us take inspiration from its journey. Be resilient like the camel in the face of challenges. Adapt to the shifting sands of life with grace. Rely on your inner strength and the support of those around you. And above all, never stop moving forward, no matter how vast the desert may seem. Because, like the camel, you too are built to endure, to thrive, and to overcome. Thank you.